Let's talk about what's really at stake. In some markets, gambling revenue is now generating economic impact comparable to major national industries, even industries like automotive manufacturing. Think about that for a second. We're not talking about a small online sector anymore. We're talking about an industry influencing national economies. That should get everyone's attention. This isn't a niche problem. It's an economic issue happening in plain sight, except most people can't see it because it's happening behind encrypted networks and offshore operators. And that's part of the danger because it happens behind the scenes. Most people don't realize how large it's become. And that's why action matters now. We're not here to shut down the industry. In fact, it's the opposite. We want regulated operators to succeed. We want governments to retain revenue, and we want consumers protected inside a legal framework. We're here to protect legitimate operators, protect government revenue, and create an environment where regulated businesses can grow. Block the illegal operators, protect the licensed ones. It's actually a very simple model. And when you clean up the market, everybody benefits except the illegal actors. That's how healthy markets thrive.